Welcome, it's now much easier to play your favorite games on your mobile device. Learn how to quickly and seamlessly install Epic Games Store on your iOS device. Open the doors to the gaming world in just a few steps with this guide we prepared for iOS users in the European Union. Unmissable opportunities and unique gaming experiences are waiting for you. Watch our video now and discover Epic Games Store now. How to install the Epic Games Store on iOS devices in the European Union. The Epic Games Store offers a vast selection of games for iOS users in the European Union. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the simple process of installing the app on your iOS device. Open Safari. 1. Launch Safari. Start by opening the Safari web browser on your iOS device. 2. Navigate to epic.download. In the address bar, type or copy/paste the URL epic.download and press enter. Install Epic Games Store. Press Install. On the epic.download website, click the Install button to start the installation process. Require software update. Note that this may require your iOS device to be updated to version 17.6 or later. Install Epic Games Store. Download from the App Store. Click Download App Store. After pressing the Install button, you will be redirected to the App Store. Find the Epic Games Store. Locate the Epic Games Store app among the list of available applications. Download the app. Tap the Get or Download button to install the Epic Games Store on your iOS device. Open and enjoy. 1. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, find the Epic Games Store app on your iOS device and tap to open it. 2. Browse and download. Explore the app's library of games and download your favorite titles to your device. 3. Start playing. Enjoy the wide selection of games available on the Epic Games Store on your iOS device. Installing on Android devices. Open Chrome. Start by opening the Chrome web browser on your Android device. Go to epic.download, navigate to the epic.download website in Chrome, press Install. On the epic.download website, click the Install button to begin the installation process. Find the app. Locate the Epic Games Store app among the list of available applications. Enjoy the Epic Games Store on Android. 1. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, find the Epic Games Store app on your Android device and tap to open it. 2. Browse the library. Explore the wide selection of games available on the Epic Games Store app. 3. Download and play. Select your desired games and download them to your Android device to start playing. Benefits of the Epic Games Store. Exclusive games. The Epic Games Store offers a variety of exclusive games that are not available on other platforms. Frequent sales. Users can take advantage of the Epic Games Store's regular sales and discounts on games. Cross-platform play. Many games on the Epic Games Store support cross-platform play, allowing you to compete with friends on different devices. Conclusion. 1. Easy installation. Installing the Epic Games Store on your iOS or Android device is a straightforward process. 2. Vast game library. Enjoy access to a wide selection of games, including exclusive titles and frequent discounts. 3. Seamless experience. The Epic Games Store provides a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience on your mobile device. Thank you for watching. We would be very pleased if you could help us by commenting, liking and subscribing in order to deliver similar, informational and technological news to you. Wishing you healthy and beautiful days.